So what you can also do inside of ChatGPT is you can generate out reference list. So for example, over here, I'm going to go around and say, I'm going to provide an information in the next message, and I'm going to go around and say, make sure that you generate reference list out of them in APA referencing format right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, it says sure, just provide me the information. I'll generate the APA reference list for you. So I can go around and bring in information. Let's say, for example, I got a list of references right here from Wikipedia right here, which has its own referencing format. So let me just go around and copy this and bring it to ChatGPT right here. Press enter right here, just like this, and now you can see that it turns everything into APA referencing format right here, just like this. So you can see that now this is what you have. This is the original information that we actually provided right here, and it converted it into APA reference format. So let's just go around and say now generate MLA reference format out of it. So now if I were to go around and do that, now you can see that it converts it out into MLA format right here, just like this. You can also go around and say generate Harvard style reference now. So once I go around and do that, now you can see that it converts it out into Harvard style right here, just like this. So this is what you have. You can see that it first had this particular information right here, just like this, and it actually went around and showed around different information, just like this around over here, and then generated out the reference just like this. Now I'm going to go around and say generate out citations for all of them as well, just like this. So now once I go around and do that, the in-text citations are generated around over here, just like this as well. They're not perfect, but you can see that this is something you can utilize as a reference. So now these are for Harvard style references. So now I'm going to say generate in-text citations for MLA right here, just like this, and then it'll generate it out for MLA over here, just like this. So now I'm going to go around and say now generate it for APA right here, just like this, and once I go around and do that, you can see that it generated it for APA now. And that is how you can generate referencing or reference list using ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.